Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll, and tonight I'm coming back with part 2 of this doll here. I've got the ring out, the wire I should say, out from the neck. This is really good wire, just very rusty. But the reason why I didn't want to just take it and rip it is that when I'm measuring my material, yeah, I could add that little bit on. But being the new novice beginner sewer like I am, every little bit helps me out to keep things as accurate as possible. So, and I like to keep it, even the body, you know, the integrity of the body together, you know, so that if and when this does get passed down, I know what I've done. Does the next person know what I've done? So, so anyways, there's the leg, and we're going to turn it inside out. There's the stuffing there. Now we can get this wire without having to put a little hole in to take it off. So it's right on the inside here. So now what we got to do is find out where this twist begins, which I'm not sure about. We got to figure out where. I don't like these ones that are like this here. Oh my goodness, just one wire, please. What wire goes with what? Who, where? Okay. There we go. I think I'm figuring it out. This is the original wire from the manufacturer. So does this go together like this? I think I sorted it out. I hope I did. Yep, I did. Oh, gee, wow. Oh, it's falling apart as I take it off. Okay, there we go. Oh, wow. There we are. And now we have a leg off. Let's get rid of that wire. I hate those wires. Okay. There we go, and there's a leg off. Okay, do the same for this other doll. This other leg, I mean. And again, turn it inside. Ooh, 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 ooh. There's probably just some stitches that didn't get ripped, didn't get taken apart. Okay, and the stuffing's gone. And we got to do the same for this one now. Find out what to go. Oh, yeah, this was easier, this one. Okay. I'm going to hope this is the way it goes. Is that right? Or am I doing more to it? I think I'm tightening it up more. There we go. It's this way. Boy, it's falling apart as I do this. Oh my goodness. It just doesn't want to stay. Like, it's just breaking. Oh my word. How do I do this? Oh, there we go. Got it. Wow. Didn't think I thought I was going to lose the end to it. All right. There we go. Got her. All right. Now we got this going. And there's that one done. Okay, so now we have this wonderful body, which I'm going to make a replica of this one. Wonderful material and everything. I just love it. That's a nice little body, well put together, well constructed in its own way. But I think it's time for a new body. What's not also that's old about it is the thread. The thread is just as old as what the body is, and then what happens is sometimes you'll see crotches start to fall out because the threads fall apart because it's just had so much pressure put on it over the years. So I think it's okay just to go make a new body. I would love to do that, you know, and I'm excited to do that. So that's what we're going to have to do here. So I still have more to take apart here, just taking this out here, this down here to put this little insert in the leg here. So sometimes I don't put those in. I just leave it and I just go around and don't put this part in at all. But, you know, it doesn't hurt the body in any way, shape, or form. As long as I get the sewing across here, that's great, you know. But, yeah, I'm happy with that. Very nice. Okay, so what we're going to do is I got a bucket over here. And we start putting her pieces into the bucket as well. So this is her bucket. And so we start doing this to it. This is what happens. We start doing this. We got to build toes on this foot. And we have that one going. We got rings. We have her crier, and we'll put her her neck ring. I keep no, that's rusted. I don't want that. More wire. There we go. And we're going to take her eyes out next. So let's get her eyes, my eye pluckers out, and let's pluck the eyes out. Time to remove those eyes. All right. Okay, let's get those out. All right. Here's my eye pluckers. Oh yeah, that's, well, it's not too important, but it's important enough. All right. Oh yeah, those have to go down there. Okay. There. Okay, so let's go at it and let's see how her eyes, what her eyes look like. Put my stitch ripper back. And there you go. Like I say, when you start, if you're going into doll restoration, one of the things about it, once you buy your tools, you've got them forever. They're yours. So now what we got to do is go in here. And like I say, this is going to look for 2 little holes. And what you do is you squeeze them together, and that takes the bar out. They're on a bar. So we have to find the holes. I think I walked right into it. Okay, I got them. Okay, so we're going to squeeze. This was easy. Okay, let's squeeze. Did I find them? I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. Oh, that I got one in. That's what I usually happens to me here. Is that right? Oh no, I'm in both those holes. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I did have it. Ugh, there we go. Did I get it? Oh yeah, eyes are out. Okay. So I gotta get that out, and then we get her eyes. There they are. And you can see her eyes right here. Nice brown. She's got like hazel eyes, but she needs eyelashes put in. Well, I can't match up to this, so I'm gonna have to take these out, which is sad. But the old horsehair eyelashes, but I have to do that. And oh, these are easy to take apart. Wow, these are gonna be easy. Yeah, I can go inside and just insert the lashes then. Okay, wow. So we'll get those looked after, and yeah, that's too bad that we have to do that to her eyes, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So anyways, lots of work to do on these dolls. Okay, there's her eyes. Here's the bar. Like I told you, it has 2 holes that this goes into. So what you're doing is you're going into this hole and into that hole in the dark. And then when I put it back in, I'll go the opposite. I'll go like this instead. This time I closed it. All right. And it can be quite the thing putting them back in again, because you got to go in blindly into here. But there's only 2 little holes. They can only go do what they have to do. I do get them back in, you know, and I don't cuss a whole lot. I keep it to a minimum. Okay. But anyways, now we start with the head. Now this head looks like it's in pretty good shape, but you can see right here, again, the paint does not like to adhere to the plaster. And so just to check, let's just check to see if is this acrylic paint or is this oil paint. If I use acetone and the paint comes off, it's acrylic. If it stays on, it's oil. Okay, so let's do our test, just so that you see this here. So I'm going to get our acetone out. I'll just get my, what is acetone? It's just fingernail polish. That's all it is. Good old fingernail polish. So this is from Walmart, not expensive stuff. Where's my, I bought a new bag of wedges. I got a new one sitting there. Just went out to the dollar store the other day and thought, well, might as well buy it because I'm getting low again. Don't take long. Okay, are we ready to see what this doll is? Okay. Oh, I can tell already. She's acrylic. Look at that. That's acrylic. Yeah, she's been painted, and I wonder if her oil paint's underneath. Is this just been painted over and her real paint is coming? You wouldn't believe what's been done to these dolls. I don't know. I don't think so. No, this is just all acrylic. She's been revamped. Yeah, that's too bad. I'm wondering what this is underneath. If this is her original paint underneath. You wouldn't believe what people have done to dolls over the years, you know, trying to repaint them, because she's ghastly white, you know, and I'm wondering just why. Sometimes the oil paint's right there, you know. But anyways, that's what she is. She's acrylic. So, yeah, I should have done that with that glove on. Shoot, well, I'll have to wash it now. Okay, I got more gloves. I don't like doing that with my glove. It gets so comfortable on me. I forget I got it on. Okay, get my next glove out. There we go. All right. All right, that's okay. We'll get that cleaned up. I got another glove. I got several of these. That's one thing about it. Just don't, when it comes to your gloves, just don't buy one set of gloves. I've got about 2 or 3 just because of what I just did. All right, so now that we've got that done, now we're going to look. We have another place right by the ear here where we could take our knife and you can go right in here and start lifting that paint if you want. See how easy that is? Again, the doll is put together like this. It goes like this around here and it goes okay, it goes around here and right up around and back behind the ear again and back down again. So that's why these are the easy places to get into, to get started, to take paint off a doll, and it just flicks off. There you go. And you can start there. You can also start at the top of her head where everything is coming off anyways. These are great starting places for the doll to start taking the paint off. And it just, yep, no big deal. See how this is just coming right off of there? There's just, acrylic paint is not what these dolls should be painted with. They should be painted with oil. The wood loves oil and it absorbs better. It even does better on the this part, this plaster. It likes it a little bit more than what the acrylic does. Acrylic doesn't want to stick to it, I find, as well. Yeah, even oil doesn't like it as much, but it will stick to it better. So anyways, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to be stripping her down. So anyways, thank you for joining me. And I hope you enjoyed what you've seen here today. Tonight, this is the last doll I'm going to do. Oh, and I'm going to come up with a third video, part 3. Well, it's not even part 3 because it has nothing to do with this doll. I just want to show you what dolls I'm working from, what bucket I'm working from. I think it's interesting to see what I do and what I'm going to be coming up against and working with. Like, you know, what I'm fighting, this wave of dolls I'm fighting against. I work out of one bucket. That's it. Then I bring another bucket and I'm going to work on it. I'm not buying any dolls right now because I got way too many. I've got enough to keep me happy for a long time here. And but anyways, I'll come back with that in a little bit. Thank you for dropping in and thank you for listening to me. Let me pass my time away here doing these wonderful dolls. And if you like what you see, subscribe on YouTube to the Broken Doll. And if you're on my Facebook channel there, thank you for joining me also. And all the lovely comments I get from everybody. So thanks again. I'll be talking to you in a few minutes. Bye-bye.